Hey everybody, welcome to another installment on Bulletin Boost. So as you guys are aware, I ordered a hatchback STi from Japan. The only damage or issues I can see through pictures and what I can gather is that it has bumper damage. So I ordered a 2011 to 2014 bumper from Partify.ca. It came to like, I can't remember, 510 bucks, I think, shipped and painted. So can't go wrong. Obviously, my expectations are low already, so that's good. But I've heard good things. I've heard a little bit of bad things. But anyway, I want to show you what you get. So that's the box it came in, a bumper. Now, obviously, a bumper is not going to fit in that box as it should. So I'll put a screenshot here of what the bumper looks like coming out of this thing. And I opened it up knowing that I want to stretch it out. I'm going to go show you the bumper. But it's covered in this fine dust. And this fine dust, I believe, is to keep it from scratching. So I'm going to, dogs are going berserk, not sure why, but I'm going to go show you what it looks like right now. All right, so that's what the bumper looks like out of the wrap. Well, sort of. The corners are literally wrapped in like so, and I'm just trying to stretch it out right now. But it has this fine powder on it, I think, to protect it. So I'm gonna go take this downstairs and put some compressed air on it and see how it turns out. All right, so it's all aired off, and I'm on the fence. So I gave this company a chance, and I commend them for what they're trying to do. However, it's never going to be perfect. A, because of the price you pay, and B, because of the shipping method. Now, let's show you why. That had a huge crease in the paint. They probably didn't let it dry all that much, because this looked like it was like, it's been bubbled ever since this had a crease in it. So there's that. Second thing is this will probably be covered by the lip, and it doesn't go past this edge here. Other than that, I think the paint is pretty good. I did put my my crash wrap down because I hear that the paint is kind of thin on the corners. So that's there protecting that. So far, I'm decently happy with it. You still can't really beat it for the price, especially if that's my only issue, which I will be reaching out to them about, seeing what they'll do, and then buying a lip, maybe for the refund. But anyway, if you order a Partify part, this is what to expect. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good. You can see right there's a paint, something in the clear coat. Again, I wasn't hunting for absolute perfection, but it's pretty good for the most part. There's another like little thing in the clear coat. But overall, I'm quite, oh, that was just a piece, okay. I'm quite impressed with it for the most part. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to spread both of these edges here to get all the, these morphs, these deformations out of the plastic. But overall, I'm happy with it. So this is what to expect if you order something from Partify painted. Some guys don't paint it because of these small issues, but I thought, what the heck? So here it is, everybody. Hope you enjoyed the video.